Today I'm going to make a Caesar salad dressing. We're going to put some canola oil and olive oil. I put it in the mixing bowl. Minced garlic, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper, lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, and a little bit of honey Dijon mustard, an egg yolk. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Let's make our salad dressing. Let's start out with the cheese because it's powdered. So I'm going to put in 3 of these small spoons of cheese. Then some Worcestershire sauce. Canola oil. And I do this all with my little spoon. Garlic. Lemon juice. Salt and pepper. Olive oil. Not a lot of that. Next is your egg. So for your egg, you want to crack your egg, get it inside one of these little dishes, just like that. Then you take a water bottle and you squeeze your water bottle and you suck the yolk out just like that, and you can put your yolk in your mixing bowl. Set the white aside. Let's give it a little bit of a stir with a spoon, and then whisk. And you have to whisk this for a little bit. It needs air in it. So using a whisk is very helpful because the whisk does aerate. This is a small whisk that's made for a small mixing bowl. And you do this until it gets a little thicker. And then you can pour it over your salad, just like that. I have some tomatoes that are here and washed. Just like that. There's the meal. I hope you've enjoyed watching. And here is several more videos just like this.